Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and I'm going to show you how to fix the camera application crashing on your phone. The first thing that you need to of course start with is opening the camera application. Once you are here, you need to tap this square icon right here and tap this gear icon to enter the camera settings. Once you are here, you need to manage. You need to scroll down to the reset settings. Tap it and tap reset settings. Now you need to use your camera for a while and check if it's still crashing. If it's still crashing, we need to go even deeper. Open the settings and scroll the way down to the apps. Scroll down and find the camera right here. Now here scroll down to the storage and tap clear cache. Once your cache is cleared, everything should be working fine. If you want to make sure that everything is cleared, tap clear data and delete. Remember that this resets camera preferences to factory defaults, but will not delete your photos or videos, so don't worry, everything will be okay. Apart from that, you need to go to the flex mode, like screen switching. Open the camera while the phone is fully closed on the outer screen. So right here, open the camera application right here, and now you need to open the phone halfway, like flex mode, this one, to check if it switches. If it switches, that's nice. If it doesn't, and if it only crashes when it's unfolded, it may point to a physical hinge sensor conflict or under display camera UDC driver bug. If it works, nice here, but if it doesn't work on the inner screen, as I said, it's either UDC bug or physical hinge sensor conflict. And when it comes to software things that we can do, there are no other things that we can do, because we can't wipe system cache partition because it's locked on newest Android versions. So the only thing we can do now is to contact the device support to have it fixed, because we can't do anything. That's it. Bye.